Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play FNF, Friday Night Funkin', on Chromebook. So let's start the video. So first of all, open Chrome browser and search NowGG. Then click on First Website. Now click on Search bar here and search Friday Night Funkin'. Now click on it. Then click on Play. It'll load the game. Now choose the mode you want to play. Then enter again. Now here you go, you can play the game. So this is how you can play FNF Friday Night Funkin' on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.